We are reviewing the July Keto Box. Let's go. Let's try this one. It's by Snack Conscious Brownies. Alright, let's try this. Cheers. It's like truffles. 9 out of 9. Alright, next one. Good to Go Mint Chocolate. I love mint. Let's go. It's definitely minty. Certified keto. Next, Zoro milk chocolate bar with protein, 2 grams of sugar, keto friendly. One more. That's actually really good. I had these before. These are really good. Chocolate Puffs by Better Than Good Foods. All right, here we go. A handful. Hear that crunch? Next, we got Wow Keto Wow by ANS Performance. This is their maple glazed walnut. I can see why. This is Keto Mini Bites Snickerdoodle Cookies. This is by Too Good Gourmet. Ooh. One more. So we got a cheese snack from Wisps. This is Asiago Pepperjack. I don't know if I said that right. Here we go. One more. Here's the crunch. 1 net carb for the whole bag. We got a meat snack. This is from Thrive Provisions. Let's get it. Ever had a juicy jerky? This is it. Last but not least, we got some pepperoni stick. It's your classic meat stick.